Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to receive money with Moneygram. So here on to Moneygram, for you to be able to receive money, it makes it easy and convenient through the global network in over 200 countries and territories. So for you to be able to get started, this is a step-by-step guide for you. If someone already sent to your bank account or mobile wallet, then you don't need anything for that. The money will be automatically sent. But if it is for pickup, then this is the guide. So first things first is you need to find a location. So there are a lot of MoneyGram agent location that is near you. You could just simply click onto this link in here and then you'll get redirected onto the map so that you should be able to see the different locations for a MoneyGram that is near you. Then right after that, you'll just need to go ahead and complete the form. If this is applicable, you'll just need to go ahead and fill that one out. So you'll just need to enter the reference number or any informations that are asked. And then right after, you could go ahead and receive your funds. You'll just need to go ahead and complete the form and give out your valid ID to the agent to receive your money. And that's just basically it onto how to receive money with MoneyGram. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.